This is my vid of how I built my gaming PC so damn cheap. Okay, people are like, "Oh, you gotta spend $2,500 to fucking build a good ass fucking PC." No, fuck you, don't. Cause I got, I got a steal of a fucking deal. Let me tell you. I'll show you my system crud. Just a i5 processor, 14 gigs of goodness, and where's the graphics? Doesn't say it, but I bought a Zotac GTX 1050 Ti Mini, used $40. Okay, it's like $150 fucking part or more. The ones that I was seeing was around around $400. So that's yeah, it's a good fucking card. And let's see. She runs just about anything I throw at it. And got Modern Warfare, GTA 5, of course, and just a bunch of goodies. Let's see. I was trying to install that, but I suck at that, obviously. Black Ops 2, Far Cry, SnowRunner. These games run at awesomeness FPS. And I'm building another PC because I'm getting a ton of used parts for $60. It comes with a graphics card, processor, uh, fan shit. I think maybe a hard drive and some RAM for sure. And I got a desktop PC, another one, just a regular Acer, HP, or fucking whatever Windows PC, 2013 Veriton, and that I got for $30. This one I'm using, I got for $50, brand new almost, inside the fucking box still, like no cap. And the reason why I got that is because some old lady, some fucking rich ass old lady, like I'm talking about fucking big old house, yard with fucking fancy trees and fucking hedges and shit. She was selling it on Marketplace. She said she paid over $750 for the fucking thing, and she wanted $50 for it. And the thing was cracked open. Looks like she just stuffed it in a corner somewhere and forgot about it. Something, but yeah, that's how I fucking got this. $50 on Marketplace. Cannot go wrong. I was like, this is God. There's got to be a catch. I was like, this is fat cap. But I fucking started it fresh Windows 10. Just amazing. I was like, no freaking way. But it was like, yeah, wait, cause it worked. I was like, fucking shocked. I couldn't believe it. So what you can do to build an easy, good PC is just fucking get a regular desktop with at least Core i3, because even that's pushing it. I, I don't know, I'd go with i5 and up, because this is wonderful performance. I think i3 would be but my i5 is absolutely wondrous. i7, I want to get i7, see how fucking speedy and top notch that'll be. Oh, maybe even stick a i9 in there. Holy buckets. Oh, that. But yeah, just grab an old fucking desktop PC and put a graphics card and RAM in it. Oh, shit, you got an excellent gamer. I got NVIDIA, GeForce, blah blah blah, 2 gigs of VRAM. So like, here, let's see if we could go to eBay and see if we can find any cheap shit. Cause I'm telling you, even if it's used, it's still good. You can see I was looking at little hit and miss motors. Head gaskets for the car I bought. fucking screens for my S7 that I'm trying to fix. Goodness. Alright, back to topic. So let's see. Graphics chart. What was this typing? Let's see. I don't like buying shit like even that expensive. Oh shit! Look at that! Look at that! 4 gig. Holy shit! That has double the fucking power mine does. That's what mine basically looks like. Here, I'll show you what mine looks like. In fact, oops. Oops. Zotsk. Nah. Yeah, this is what I got exactly. Look at even on eBay, it's 105. I got it for $40 fucking dollars. I was like, unbelievable. Oh damn, I might need one of those because mine was squeaking and hollering like a motherfucker. It was like, bro, my time is up. I was like, no fucking way, you capping. And all I did was take it off and squish the fan on there harder, and she stopped squealing. I was like, no way. Alright, let's see if we could find any used ones for really cheap. I'm telling you, cheap is good still. Because I could record and play games at pretty good graphics. I overclocked my graphics card. That's how my gaming videos been better. Like my fucking Apex videos sucked ass. I was like, oh my god. So I actually overclocked it and works a hell of a lot better now. Let's go to used actually. Oh, here. I buy everything used except like fucking mattresses and condoms or something. But any like working thing like electronic or something, even if it's broken, I could fucking buy the screen or part for it and fix it myself. You just gotta get learned. 77, I don't even like to pay that much. See, even that would be good. Buy it now 100. If it stayed like around $60, that would be nice. But seriously, you could find some good shit for cheap. What's that? 2 gigabyte DDR3. Yeah, see, that'll be It won't be like heavy mega duty, but it'd play GTA 5. I just got regular desktop RAM too. I mean, I don't got this fucking RZX fucking 34 5 point jillion megahertz thingamabob fucking Apple fucking approved RAM, you know. I just got regular desktop. I got 2 4s and 3 4s and a 2. I'm gonna get another 4 so I could have 18 or 16 instead of 14 gigabytes. Let's see here. Okay, enough of that. Here, let's check out fucking RAM. Because even just RAM, PC parts, you could combobulate them together yourself. Oh, hell no, I wouldn't even pay that much for RAM. Heck that. Yeah, it's fucking 8 gigabytes, fucking HyperX Fury, fucking 38,000 jillion gigahertz fucking type shit. Just regular RAM. I'll show ya. I'll fucking show ya. Oh, this is what I use to overclock my GPU. You keep going until I'll do something else with this. I'll take another video of doing this, but I can control the fan speed and stuff, memory. That's set at max. It crashes sometimes because the memory is a little too high, so sometimes it'll like shut down my whole PC. I could turn it down, but it works as it is. If there's like too much shit going and it stutters, it just shuts the whole thing off. So like it's alright for now. That's only happened when I was glitching on Warzone one time, and it just turned off. But it's never done that to GTA or anything like that. I'll show you here. Right here. Is there anything else I need to cover real quick? I don't think so. And power supply. I just got an 80-watt power supply. It's hauling my graphics card and everything inside of it, and it's doing just fine. I've never had a single problem. It is not loud. You cannot hear it. There's absolutely no problem with the cheap desktop, putting graphics card in it, and just regular stock fucking RAM. Like, no cap. It works just fine. Even online, it plays like really good frames. Let's get loaded on online. Sorry, I was texting my old lady. Funny too, I got this excuse me. I got this GTA Premium for cheap as hell too. I think it was on Epic Games for free, but I went on Epic Games a little too late. So it was premium, complete premium, all DLCs, blah blah blah, like top-notch GTA 5. Got it for Jesus. I got it for $5, $4.99, because I had a coupon for joining Epic Games that day. Like, it was like $10 off or something, and so it cost me $5. It was 15 because it was on sale, so it cost me $5 plus that, or with that $10 coupon. So I was like, heckin' right. Got the Rona over here, Jesus. I'll probably take another video and show the inside of my PC just to show you what it looks like. Nothing special at all. It's a sleeper, that's what it is. It looks really nice though. I like it. There's nothing I don't like about this PC at all. I've been more than happy with it since I purchased it. It's just been getting better and better. Cause it was cheap. I bought that $30 one. That had everything, even like a little tiny 320 megabyte graphics card. It only didn't have a hard drive, and I was like, fuck 'em, what's a hard drive? Bought it for parts, stole the fucking the RAM out of it, and she's mint. So far I have so graphics was 40, PC was 50. I'm gonna technically say RAM was 30, and I bought 2 more RAM too for $30. So I gotta sneeze. Oh shit, the Rona's for real today. And I lost count. So 50, 90 plus 30, 120, and another 30, 150. So I got $150 total in this, and it's worth probably up to $800 with that graphics card, all the pieces I put in it, plus just stock computer. The stock computer is worth a good chunk, and plus the hardware, like, it is aight. Would not trade it. anything for this PC. I choose PC over console any day. Because PC can do everything a console can do and more. You know what I mean? Hit J-Rock up in his house, you know what I'm saying? No, I'm saying. I wouldn't trade this for an Xbox, PS4, Xbox and PS4. No. Like, me, I think I'm speaking for all PC guys. They're probably more than fucking happy with it. PC and console. Aiming is not too good. That car sucks. Oh no, I don't fuck with that. Frame rates are a little tough right now because it's online. Plus, oh, I fucked that.
Crazy ass town. Ah! Holy shit.
Oh shit. Oops. Online doesn't have the best frames as is, and plus I'm running RAM recording this shit. I think I still have Chrome open. It's definitely, oh my god, it's way better than Xbox One. I was like, oh my god. A buddy of mine has Xbox, he plays online. I'm like, oh my god, you fucking thing is just aching. Your frames are awful. I'm like, how can you even play like this? Fucking potato. Like, jumping from this to that, I was like, oh my god, you fucking game. Yeah, it stuttered, freeze. It did have stutter because I had 4 gigabytes of RAM. It needs at least 8 to run. 6 of it. It's so dude. It's like me.
Hi, this is J-Rock. Right now, you're listening to Giles Pierce. That's all you need to know. So turn up your radio.
We got it up loud.
Crash.
It's worldwide.
None.
And music from Swindle, music from
Absolutely.
Time for a trip into the history books, into the heritage, the music of Candido and Donald Byrne on the way. But right now, this is
Chicka wow. Wow. I got stock. Yeah. Stock PC keyboard and mouse. Nothing special there. Bruh. Oh, yeah.
Damn, you fine, baby.
Come on, move. Why don't you fucking move? Oh, it's pushing E instead of W. Oh my god. Yeah, look at that. Absolutely fabulous. Fucking fabulous.
Oh my god!
Don't get all hysterical, honey.
Damn.
Fucking die, you weak ass bitch. Holy shit.
Whoa. It don't look like you need this, dog.
Get dead, son.
Report, not with a deadly weapon. Broadcast to Nora Desert.
Damn, 5-4.
Units reporting shots fired at an officer west of Solar Wind Farm Trailer Park. Officers report a reckless driver west of
Fuck
Solar
that.
Wind Farm Trailer Park.
Hey.
Eat you. You did.
We have 245.
Let's do this, motherfucker! I don't give a fuck, asshole!
Where'd you get the point? Where'd you get the point? Come on, why is my home button not working? Piece of shit and fart. Shit and fart. Stupid. Come on. Pause. There. Yes, I'm sure. That's it. That's how she do. That's what she do. I'm just using OBS as a record station. Yeah, if you want another video on what I did or this or that, or if just whatever, just comment shit. Do what you do. Like, nah, I'm not gonna tell you to like, cause who the fuck likes videos? Just subscribe. I want more subbers and try to get a little up there in the subscriptions, just so I could be proud of it. Oh shit. Just so I could feel good about myself. Do me a sub. See ya, masks.